Breaking down Diddy's legal drama, what you need to know. Sean Diddy Combs, once a towering figure in the world of music, fashion, and business, is now at the center of a growing legal storm that could change everything. A cultural icon who built an empire from the ground up, Diddy has long been known for his influence, wealth, and power. But now he's making headlines for all the wrong reasons. He is facing some of the most serious allegations of his career, with accusations ranging from sex trafficking to racketeering, charges that, if proven, could not only destroy his legacy, but also lead to serious legal consequences. What started as rumors and lawsuits has now escalated into a full-blown federal investigation. Authorities are digging deep into allegations that paint a disturbing picture of an underground world of exploitation and abuse. While Diddy has strongly denied the accusations, the mounting evidence and increasing number of claims against him have put his entire empire in jeopardy. His brand, his businesses, and his influence in the entertainment industry, everything hangs in the balance. And just when things couldn't get more chaotic, a shocking twist has added even more fuel to the fire. A key attorney involved in the case has abruptly stepped down. The sudden move has left both legal experts and the public questioning what's really happening behind the scenes. Was it a simple legal decision, or does this point to something bigger, something even more troubling? With new developments emerging by the day, it's time to break down exactly what's happening, what this means for Diddy's future, and how this case could shake the entertainment industry to its core. The attorney's departure. In a major shakeup to Sean Diddy Combs' legal defense, Anthony Rico, one of his key attorneys, has officially stepped down from representing the hip-hop mogul. Rico, a well-respected criminal defense lawyer, had been brought onto the case in September 2024, shortly after Combs' arrest. Now, just months before the scheduled trial, he has filed a motion to withdraw, raising serious questions about the state of Combs' defense strategy. In his affidavit submitted to the court, Rico made his stance clear, stating, "Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs." While he did not disclose specific reasons for his decision, citing attorney-client privilege, the abrupt timing of his resignation has fueled speculation. Why now? Was it a strategic move, a personal conflict, or a sign of deeper trouble within the defense team? Rico assured the court that his departure would not delay the trial, which remains set for May 5, 2025. However, legal experts point out that losing a key defense attorney at this stage can create internal disruption, even if the legal team insists otherwise. Despite Rico stepping down, Combs still has 5 other attorneys on his defense team, including lead counsel Mark Agnifilo and Tenny Geragos. This ensures that he remains legally well-equipped, but the optics of a senior attorney walking away from such a high-profile case certainly raise concerns. Combs, who has remained in custody since his September 2024 arrest, is facing some of the most serious charges of his career, including sex trafficking and racketeering. If convicted, he could face a minimum of 15 years to life imprisonment. With the trial date fast approaching, every legal maneuver is being closely watched. So, was Rico's resignation truly just a professional decision, or does it signal deeper fractures within Combs' defense team? As the case intensifies, all eyes will be on the courtroom to see what unfolds next. Implications of an attorney stepping down. Every move made by the defense team matters, and when an attorney abruptly steps down, it often signals something more than just a routine legal shift. The resignation of Anthony Rico, one of Sean Diddy Combs' key defense attorneys, has left many questioning what could have prompted such a decision, especially in a case of this magnitude. While Rico has cited professional reasons and attorney-client privilege as the basis for his withdrawal, legal experts suggest several possible factors that could lead an attorney to step away from such a high-stakes trial. 1. Not getting a lead position. In major criminal cases, attorneys often have defined roles within a legal team. If Rico expected to take a more prominent role in shaping Combs' defense strategy, but found himself sidelined, it could have influenced his decision to walk away. Power struggles within a defense team are not uncommon, especially when multiple high-profile lawyers are involved. 2. Client dishonesty or uncooperative behavior. If Rico felt that Combs was withholding key information, misrepresenting details, or refusing to follow legal advice, it could have created an ethical or strategic conflict. Attorneys have a duty to represent their clients to the best of their ability, but when they feel they are being misled, stepping down becomes a logical decision. 3rd, belief in the client's guilt. Though criminal defense attorneys often represent individuals accused of serious crimes, they are not obligated to take on cases they find morally or ethically troubling. If Rico became uncomfortable with the evidence mounting against Combs, or began to question the credibility of his client's claims, he may have chosen to distance himself before the trial began. While attorneys are trained to defend their clients regardless of personal opinions, some cases become too controversial or ethically challenging to continue representing. Fourth, potential impact on Rico's reputation. High-profile cases come with intense media scrutiny, and attorneys attached to them can sometimes suffer damage to their own reputations. If Rico anticipated that this case could turn into a losing battle, or if he feared being publicly associated with the allegations against Combs, he may have decided that stepping away was the best move for his career. The legal profession is built on credibility and trust, and sometimes an attorney must consider the long-term impact of defending a controversial client. What this means for Combs' case. While Rico's departure does not leave Combs without legal representation, he still has 5 attorneys on his team. It does raise red flags about the inner workings of his defense strategy. Losing an attorney just months before trial can disrupt case preparations, create uncertainty, and hint at possible tensions within the legal team. With the May 5th, 2025 trial date fast approaching, the stakes have never been higher. Was this simply a routine legal adjustment, or does it point to deeper instability within Combs' defense? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, when an attorney walks away from a case like this, people start asking questions. The upcoming trial. With May 5th, 2025 set as the official federal trial date, one of the biggest challenges will be finding an unbiased jury. Given the intense media coverage and the serious nature of the charges against Sean "Diddy" Combs, legal experts warn that public perception could play a major role in the case. Combs' legal team has already raised concerns that his appearances in shackles during court proceedings could unfairly influence potential jurors. To prevent this, they've filed a request for him to appear unshackled, arguing that it could reinforce negative assumptions before the trial even begins. Meanwhile, prosecutors have accused Combs of trying to manipulate public perception through a carefully curated public relations strategy. They claim that a recent birthday celebration video, shared by his children on social media, was orchestrated to create a more sympathetic image and subtly influence the jury pool. Reports also suggest that Combs monitored engagement metrics on the posts, allegedly discussing ways to maximize their impact. Prosecutors argue that this is an attempt to sway public opinion in his favor before trial. Adding to the uncertainty, the sudden departure of attorney Anthony Rico has fueled speculation about potential challenges within Combs' defense strategy. While he still has 5 other attorneys, the timing of the exit raises questions about internal legal issues or strategy shifts. With all these factors at play, the trial isn't just a legal battle, it's a fight for public perception. Will Combs get a fair trial, or has the jury already been influenced before stepping into the courtroom? Previous controversies. Sean "Diddy" Combs has faced controversy before, most notably when footage surfaced allegedly showing him dragging, kicking, and shoving ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura to the ground in a hotel hallway. The video sparked widespread backlash and renewed scrutiny of his past. However, this incident is separate from his current federal charges, and in the legal system, guilt must be determined by evidence, not perception. As his trial approaches, the key question remains: will past controversies unfairly impact public and juror perception? Conclusion. Sean "Diddy" Combs' legal battle is shaping up to be one of the most high-profile cases in recent years. From serious federal charges of sex trafficking and racketeering to the sudden departure of his attorney, every development is raising new questions. With a May 5th, 2025 trial date approaching, concerns over jury bias and public perception continue to grow. As this case unfolds, more revelations are expected, and the outcome remains uncertain. Will Combs successfully defend himself, or will this case redefine his legacy forever? Do like and subscribe if you liked the video. Stay tuned for the latest updates as this story continues to develop.